On the Nifty, the Sensex is starting in a pretty solid way as well. The Nifty Bank is up 1%. The mid-cap index is up about 0.9%. It's uniformly green all across. And let's just hope that what we've seen now for the last many sessions, which is trying to sell the bounce straight away, does that happen, or there is a bit of a stronger fight back this morning? Nifty IT is up about 0.9% as well. Nifty Pharma is up. It's a broader market. I mean, it's not as if one pack of stocks got sort of beaten down or anything. The broader market took a big knock, especially on the Nifty, and there is a broad-based recovery which is underway and lasting so far so good. Between 0.5% and 1.25% gain on most indices right now.
Yep. Okay, and that linear trade for the timing is really playing itself out, because you do have Infosys, HCL Tech, these stocks on the upside, and straight away TCS is down. Last I checked was down about 1% or so. It had just opened out marginally in the negative. It's paired off that cut. But TCS is flattening out, which is what we were just saying, that that's too simplistic a view to take, that you sell TCS and buy Infosys today, if that's how it plays out. There are already buyers sort of queuing up at lower levels over there. In any case, some of the other movers and shakers on the upside include Dr. Reddy's. Some of the metal stocks like Tata Steel and Hindalco are bouncing back. They were sold off big time yesterday. And then you have the banks, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank. Let's see what ICICI and HDFC are doing. Up 0.5%. HDFC Bank is up about 1%. So it's a good-looking screen. Just beyond the indices, some of the stocks that are immediately catching the eye. Glenmark, remember, Ekta was just telling us that the US FDA has approved trials for one of its new drug applications. So that's a pop of about 5%. And then some of these, stocks where there are, hopes of contracts coming in, whether it's a Bharat Forge or some of the others as well. That's what's playing out. And Mangalam, for the timing, the market's really holding. I mean, it's a solid 1% move. And for the timing, it's all green.
Yes, 150 and holding on the Nifty as we speak. 17,150 is where we are at right now. The mid-cap index is a much better looking screen this morning. You have nearly 7 stocks advancing for every stock which is declining. And talking about some of the gainers, you spoke about potential contract winners, the defense stocks. That is the theme of the day. We have a big gain coming by on Hindustan Aeronautics, up 4.5%. Bharat Forge is the other one, which is sitting with a gain of about 3.5%. Seeing some profit taking on Zee somehow after a big move that it saw in the second half yesterday. Zee's opened about 2.5% lower, continues to see some more sell-off. And FMCG is seeing some bit of profit taking as well, and this after a flight to defense that took place yesterday. So Godrej Consumer down by about 0.75%, Colgate down about 0.5%. Berger Paints too is not particularly good this morning. But the other pack which is also doing well is the mid-cap IT space. Nimesh spoke about a couple of these mid-cap IT names in his standout brokerage report. So LTIMindtree up 3%. We have a big move on Persistent Systems as well, up 2%. So by and large, it is a much better looking screen at in the mid-cap end of things. And the Nifty Bank too, outperforming with a gain of 1%.
I mean, it's a good-looking screen, isn't it? Let's just hope it lasts.
Yes.
It lasts, right? As I was saying, I mean, people, naturally, with the amount of volatility we've had, it makes sense to watch the market for a little while and then kind of try